Habang inintay natin si Ate Babe, sana makabalik siya. O talagang sinadya niya, naiwanan ako mag-isa rito. Sinadya niya ata akong iwanan dito eh. Punuin po natin ng CPR po si Ate Babes. Yan, parusa niya sa pag-iwan sa akin sa live streaming. Pupunuin natin sa CPR. Iniwan na talaga niya ako. Iniwan pa talaga ako ni Ate Babe. Pupunuin kita ng CPR, kala mo. I used to think that I could not go on, and life was netting down for song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm waiting on the everlasting arms. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. See, I was on the verge of breaking down. Sometimes silence can seem so loud. There are miracles in life I must achieve. But first I know it's dark inside of me. Whoa, if I can see it, then I can be it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see you running through the open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Woo. Hey, 'cause I believe in me. Oh, if I can see it, Ate Babes, ayan, malapit na po. Ate Babes, sakit ka na, pagod na ako. Ate Babes, ayan, malapit na po. Ate Babes, sakit na, pagod na ako. Ate Babes, ayan, ayan, okay na. Ikaw naman napagod na ako. Tama na yan. I believe I can fly.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Ayan, okay na. Ikaw naman napagod na ako. Tama na yan. I believe I can fly. Wait.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Ayan, okay na.
Bakit pakibalik ka?
Ikaw naman napagod na ako. Tama na yan. I believe I can fly. Wait. Napupukas pala aking Wait, nag-echo yan. Ba't nag-echo?
Ayan, okay na. Wala nang echo.
Ba't nag-echo?
Echo pa rin. Ayan, yan. Sorry. Ang monitor ko pala.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Kasi wala na akong
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, thank you so much.
Alam mo ka na.
Kakanta ako. Ano?
Ba, nagpaganda pa talaga si Ate Babes, oh.
Daddy, hindi kanina pa ko. Wag na. Magkakanta ako ngayon. Sige.
Ikaw na nga sinabihan na maganda eh. Ikaw pa nagsara ng...
Tama ko. Ganyan. May kakanta ako.
Siya na nga sinabihan na maganda, siya pa yung galit.
Kasi, sige, kakanta ako.
Ako'y kakanta.
Tinitipid ang pagmamahal.
Smart ha!
Mag-mute ka, Daddy, Daddy, mag-mute ka, Daddy, please.
HEB of All Access Data plus Unli TikTok. Load now!
Sige, kakanta na ako kasi si Daddy, gusto na bumaba. Sabay na tayo, Daddy, Wait lang, kakanta ko na ako. Iwan mo ba kung ika'y Ika naman guwapo kahit malabo ang ating alam ko sa'yo Kalye ko nito at unang isip ko Sabi ng lolo ay tuyo ako dako Sabi ng lola ay huwag ba May format kaya ba Ilan wala na ba Iwan ba bakit may Ika naman guwapo kahit malabo ang piling ko Iwan ako sa'yo Iwan ako sa'yo Awang tulad ko Yan, thank you so much, Daddy R. At bye-bye na tayo. Thank you, Daddy RP. Daddy, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy R. Thank you.